Hi everybody, it's Alice with It's a Cake Bakery. Welcome to Baker's Tip Monday. Today I'm going to show you how to make easy sanding sugar. It's going to save you a lot of money in the future. So are you going to stores purchasing your sanding sugar regardless of what color it is? No problem and no worries. I'm going to show you how to make this to save your customers money on purchasing your cakes. So you don't need to purchase all of these. Let me move these off the way. All you need is 2 ingredients, food coloring, and then you're going to need granulated sugar. Now your food coloring can be any color that you want. You can choose any variety of food colorants to make this simple sanding sugar. Just get you some sugar. This is granulated sugar. Make sure that it is in a airtight container. Go ahead and get you a sandwich bag or a Ziploc bag and use as much sugar as you want. There's no recipe to this. Pour your sugar in your Ziploc bag, just like this, guys. Then choose the food coloring of your preference. You're going to drop just a tiny dot of food coloring in your bag, just like this, guys. Go ahead and zip up your bag. Okay, and all you're going to do is just rub your granulated sugar into that dot of food coloring, just like this, until you get the color of your preference. Just rub it in, just like this, guys. There we go. Just keep rubbing until you get the color you want. Now, if there's any food coloring left on the bag, no worries, you don't need it. And just rub away. This is only 2 simple ingredients, guys. Look at there. Beautiful sanding sugar. I'm going to rub just a little bit more. Look how beautiful that sanding sugar is. There it is, guys. Look at there. You can make your own sanding sugar at home. All right, that's the one you purchased, and this is the one that you made. Pretty identical, huh? Go ahead and take that container. Then go ahead and just pour your sanding sugar in that airtight container. There we go. I finally got the bag open. There we go. We're going to go ahead and just pour that inside that small container. And again, guys, you can make as much as this as you want. And remember, the more food coloring you put, the darker the color would be. Look at there, guys. There's your homemade sanding sugar. And here's your store-bought one. Go ahead and put that top on there. Make sure you snap it down. And there's your own personal sanding sugar. Let's go ahead and do another color. We're going to use royal blue. I'm going to put a little bit, I do want my dot a little bit bigger in this one because I do want that true dark royal blue color with this sanding sugar. So I'm going to go ahead and do the same thing, guys. We're going to go ahead and just rub that food coloring into that granulated sugar. Just like this, guys. Go ahead and just rub away until you get the color that you want. And if you want your sugar finer, you can buy finer sugar or you can use a strainer to strain out any lumps. But normally the pressing that you're doing against the bag normally breaks up any chunks. Look at that beautiful royal blue. It's just coming through. Love that color, guys. How about you? You're going to just rub a dub. Keep on rubbing. This will save you so much money, guys. It'll help keep your cake costs down as well. There we go. Look at that royal blue. Gorgeous, gorgeous royal blue. And again, you can use any colors of your preference. And also, if you don't want to hold the bag, you can lay it down on a flat counter or something that's flat and rub it in this way. So it doesn't matter if you're holding the bag or have it down on a flat surface rubbing it in. Long as you get the food coloring incorporated. All right, here's your container. We're going to go ahead and use the same method. We're going to go ahead and pour this inside your airtight container. I know, right? Sometime today. I'm going to get it in there, guys. Hold on just a second. There we go. All right. Got it going in there now. Just love that royal blue. There it is, guys. Look how gorgeous that sanding sugar is. The royal blue is beautiful. You'll see that it's very even. And it's great actually going into the actual sugar. And just go ahead and put that top on there. I give mine a shake sometime. You don't have to. There's the royal blue sanding sugar. And here's the store-bought one. So you don't have to do that, guys. There it is, guys. Gorgeous. All right, and we're just going to set these beside there just to give you guys a display to look at. Now, let's go ahead and do one more. Let's do the yellow, guys. Take your sugar, pour it in your actual sandwich bag or your Ziploc bag, whichever you call it or whatever you call it, actually. And we're just going to put a dot of this yellow food coloring inside of the food bag. Just a dot here. There we go. And please notice how small of a dot that I do put in there because you don't want your sugar to get real wet. So you want to use a small amount of food coloring. We're going to go ahead and mix this again, guys. And guys, if you would, I would love to see you guys do some of these and tag me on it so I can see them. I would love to know that what I'm doing is really helping you guys and teaching you things that you didn't know, teaching you ways to save money, giving you remedies that you can make at home. So that would be very helpful if someone would just show me that you made it or tell me that you made it. Very easy, just 2 ingredients, guys. Food color and granulated sugar. Again, you can lay it flat to mix it or you can hold it to mix it. Some even use a spoon and a bowl to mix it. So it's no right or wrong in how you get it incorporated together. Love the yellow too. Very bright yellow. Love that color. Look at there, guys. What do you think, guys? Are you liking this easy method? Let me know. Comment below. And please subscribe, guys. And great news, we are growing. Slowly, but we are growing. So make sure you tell your friends about me. Go ahead and tag people to follow me, to subscribe to my channel. I would appreciate that, guys, so much if you would. And thank you to everyone that always talk to me as well on here. Oh, that is gorgeous. Love the yellow, guys. Here it is, guys. And I snuck in some green. I did make some green. I hope this helped you guys today on Baker's Tip Monday. Please subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next week. Bye now.